Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. In today's video, I want to just address a few questions that came in over the past couple of days. And one thing about it, do not be afraid to send me your questions. I'll do my best to answer those questions. And there's no such thing as a stupid or a dumb question. So let's jump into it. The first one, what is a sales funnel? Well, a sales funnel is quite simple. A sales funnel it looks like a funnel, and you have the people that's asking about your business right there at the top, and then it asks them questions, and then they go all the way down until they get almost out of the funnel, and either they buy some from you or they unsubscribe. And it just really, I look at it, it's like having employees that work for you that you don't have to pay, and it saves you some headache. And the second question that was sent to me was, what is an autoresponder? Well, you know, if you're in any kind of sales, a lot of people don't buy on the first time they see something. So an autoresponder is a piece of software that sends emails to your prospects or your customers, and you can specify whether it's doing it every day, every 2 days, every week, every month, or whatever time you specify, and it will constantly send them emails until, once again, either they buy something or they unsubscribe from your newsletter. And the third one that came in is, why do I have to pay to join a business? Well, the first things first. Number one, it is a business, and it costs to start any business up. Imagine if you had a McDonald's. Now, you know, first of all, to have a McDonald's, you have to have over $250,000 or $500,000 that you have access to in cash, liquid, to get started. And then you have to buy the buns, you have to buy the meat, you have to buy the milkshake, and then you have employees, you have payroll, you have insurance. So you have to have capital to start any kind of business. So as the old saying goes, it takes money to make money. And the last question I'm gonna go over before I finish this video out, why should I get started? Well, my response to that is why not? Because the clock is steady ticking. Y'all know it's March the 15th, and guess what? Tomorrow's the 16th, and guess what? In another month, you'll be like, why should I get started? So if you want to do something, I encourage people to do it now. And if you need a funnel that's already made for you, you can go to www.enjoymylife.info, or else I have another company that you can make your own funnels, and you can go to 25sidehustles.com, and you can, they walk you through the process step by step, and it's real simple. All you have to do is follow it. So hopefully y'all got some value from this video, and if you're on YouTube, just subscribe, and if you're on Facebook, just hit the hearts, and I'll be back to explain more. And hey, y'all make it a great and be great. This year's almost halfway over, so we got to get it done. Hey, this is Booker Williams. Deuces.